proven that you cannot use it.
Okay, so here is what happened. My brother was playing basketball, and the mailman came up and asked him to play. So, Danny, play it.
It's the mailman.
Yes, there he is.
Pulling up.
Coming up.
Me balling out.
Come look at the camera. The mailman played basketball again.
And soon you'll see him go over there. And he's going to be like, what? Oh, hey. Now look. Look. He throws
I
it.
got you.
And then you see the guy come
That's
up.
the mailman?
Yeah.
And the mailman's
He's like a
coming
young
up.
guy.
Did he make that jump?
No.
So let's see if he makes
It took
this
a
one.
while to make it. He was shooting from pretty far away, though.
He's got some nice form, though.
Yeah, and he was shooting from far away. Everyone was hitting like the rim and going in and out. And then he hit like 4 in a row.
Okay, so soon he's going to hit 4 in a row.
pointers.
He was like, I gotta make one. And then after me, he's like, I gotta get my respect.